In today's world, creating amazing 3D games is more accessible than ever. But what if you don't just want to create games but also the engine behind them? Introducing 3D Game Engine Development. This book is your comprehensive guide to building your own 3D game engine from scratch. It will take you on a step-by-step journey, starting with setting up your development environment and diving deep into the core design principles. Learn fundamental rendering techniques such as Phong shading and master advanced rendering concepts like physically based rendering, as well as post-processing effects like shadows, bloom effects, and high dynamic range to create stunning visuals. Bring your game worlds to life with skeletal animation. Integrate physics and scripting engines for dynamic and realistic object interaction. You will even learn how to create a scene editor for visual scene manipulation without writing code. With this book, you'll have the knowledge and skills to take your game development journey to the next level. Build the game engine of your dreams. Get your copy today on Amazon, and don't wait.